On Matt Skills fans, back here with another video. Danny Boy 47 here, guys, and today's video, we're gonna do the Gear Up Jam event, the Gear Up event week 4, and then the Jam week is 321. All right, let's get to it. And I played some little bit of plays too on it too. So, and it's not too bad. 24th, and then 24th in the world, and 19 in my division in United States. 6th place in the United States. 1st place in New Mexico, and then 3rd place in my friends list. Let's see if I'm really in 21st place. Hold on. 24th. Yep, right there, guys. 24th place right there. 19.406. Okay. All right, let's get on with the fast lines, guys. Let's get to it. Let's go with mine first, and then we'll do the top records, the world records. All right. No, let's do mine. I just love back scrubs, guys. I just love them. Just love it. They're my best. Love it. Just all love it. All right, there we go. That was my fastest time. And then now with the world record, the top of the world records is Bruno, LP Bruno in 1st place, Lolo in 2nd, and Rayo 555 is in 3rd. Nugget 222 is in 4th place, and WFO Leo Livera, or I could say Liberto. No, just kidding. Well, these are the top 5 guys. Let's get on with it. Let's see what the fast lines are. Big back scrub. Look at that. Beautiful. Just beautiful. I just love back scrubs. It's just my best way to get it. Beautiful. Beautiful run. Beautiful. That was a beautiful run, guys. Alright, that's it for the first track of this week. Now let's get on with the 2nd track. And 44th place in the world record. That's not bad, not really too bad. 37th, 14th in the United States. 1st place in New Mexico still. And then the reason why I said 201 because I looked at another replay, and if I look at another replay, it's going to take my attempts, because that's why I just try to do my attempts by myself. So yeah, so I found the track by myself, so I kind of figured it out. Is something little like this. Let's do my record first, and then next we're going to do the world records. Not too bad, guys. Not too bad. Not too bad. All right, let's get on with the first place. Julio BMX. First place. Up in second place is Nugget 2022. 222. And LP Bruno, once again, third place. Is always on the top. And then, once again, WFO Leo Vieira. Leverto. I just want to say Leverto. It sounds like a cool name. And last but not least, Lolo in fifth place. All right, let's get on with it, guys. Let's see if there's any faster lines to get there. Yeah, that was good. Yeah, that was good. That was good. That was good. Okay, okay. I don't know what my guess is. I think. Okay, let's go all the way to the ending. So right here, guys, I would recommend you lean up, lean back, lean forward to pick up the bike, and lean back. I mean, lean forward to push your get a little bit of pressure. I'm sorry about that, guys. Yeah, lean forward to push down your front tire, and then lift up to pick up the bike. And I think it's more faster that way because the way it pushes you more faster, it just gets you right there. And I don't know, when you guys just keep pushing down on the bike just like this, I don't know, I think it kind of messes you up. But I don't know, anything works. Just I don't know, my guess is do it like I did, go forward and then just go back, pick up the bike, and then you brake it, you push the brake, and then you just get on with that line, and then you just get on, and then you just keep continuing going back onto that other and then just continue to the finish line. Yeah, that's why I'm in 40th place, because it was a really good race too. It was really good races. It's because I'm at 40. It was a 48.194, and then they got 47 point. They almost like 46. I think it's possible to get 46. It's my opinion. I think it's possible. It's really possible to get 46. It looks like it too, because it's not going to be hard to get. I don't think it's going to be hard for Zach, because I think Zach would get 46, because he's a fast guy, man. I don't know how he does it. He's really fast. He's all over the world with Mad Skills fans. That's all I could say. I don't know. And then, well, those are this is the first week of the jam track for you guys. And let me check the time. Let me check here. All right, we have more. We have time. Okay, gonna do some verses. I haven't played Versus in a while. I'm sorry about that, guys. Whoa. Okay. Poke some other people real quick. Okay. Alright, who could I find? Okay. Alright, guys, next, first subscriber is THR, DUECE, Strug 020. Watch the replay, okay. Alright, we're gonna watch the replay for you guys for this video. Let's see if you got that tap. Let's see if you got it. Beautiful. Beautiful. You got it. That was beautiful. That was beautiful. That was nice. That was nice. That was beautiful. That was nice. That was beautiful. Alright, what is it? Alright, Flake. Alright. So it's on Flake. Let's do it, guys. Let's do this. Alright. 25.455. Okay. Okay. Alright. Good race, man. Yeah, that was actually the wrong line. Because he went to that other one, the other side, the other one of the track. So it's all right. So we're gonna do turkey versus chicken. I would recommend turkey. No, I would recommend chicken. All right, let's do it. I was supposed to slow down. This stuff's so bad. Yeah, some players get that sometimes, and it doesn't really bother me. Okay. Let's do that again. Ooh, okay. Oh, okay. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful. Slow down right here. Perfect. Okay, all right. We're on track here. Yeah, let's just send that to him. Alright. Ooh, looks like we have a new subscriber, guys. So, it is... What?
Did you see what happened?
What?
To Jack's brother?
No.
It says, on Instagram, prayers for, or no, it says on Respect the Star, prayers for Jack and his family. I guess his brother committed suicide.
Oh, shoot, that sucks.
Jack's brother.
Oh, shoot, that sucks.
Our Cowboys.
Yes, I know who that is. I know. Sorry about that, guys. All right, let's kind of living, kind of with somebody right now. You guys can leave a comment, whoever that was. I don't really care. It's all good, everybody. Looks like we have a new subscriber, guys. So Velis underscore shot. All right. Okay, he has. All right, he has the number 12 bike. Okay. Yeah, it wasn't really the line, but it's okay. Let me out of him real quick. All right. Stu. Yes versus no. Ah, okay. A little bit too much of a skill there. That could be possible. That could be possible. Not really too sure. It could be possible. Oh, okay, alright. Yeah, that could be possible. Let's try. Ooh, okay. Oh, okay, alright. I thought I found the line, but I guess I didn't. Ooh, okay. I just sent that to him. Okay. Let's see what else we got. All right. Next subscriber is Poppy Grande. Papi Grande. Okay. Check the time here. Okay. Alright, we have time for one more, guys. One more. One more subscriber. It wasn't really that good. It's okay. Just tell him using my video. Alright, let's do zombies versus vampires. Oh yeah, that was bad. Alright. Wasn't too bad, guys. Wasn't too bad. Just send it to him. Alright, guys. Last subscriber is LP Customic Energy. So I like his old name better. His old name was David. His name was Always Taste. It was a pretty good name. It was a good name. It wasn't like too bad of a name, but everybody was making fun of it. But pretty funny stuff. Funny stuff, man. Oh, it's okay. It's this track. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, that back score was nice. Could get that back score too. gonna beat me, guys. He's gonna beat me. There we go. Dang, if it wasn't for that back scrub, man, he would have had me. He would have had me. If it wasn't for that back scrub, he would have had me. That was good, man. That was good. That was a good race. That was good, man. That was really good. I loved it. That was good. Pretty good stuff, man. Alright. That was good. Let's do this one.